So normally when we go camping, we go for leisure and don't need to worry about our cell phone coverage. But this camping trip is a work camping trip where my husband needs to have cell coverage. So for our first times ever, we bought ourselves a Starlink at Costco. So I thought I'd do an unboxing if this is your first time also buying a Starlink and want to see what it looks like on the inside. Two little tape spots, that's it. Okay, there we go. So open it up. Okay, and that is your first view of the inside. Okay, underneath that was that. So I'm going to, okay. You pull that out. Here's your stand first. And the entire system. Okay, so underneath this, the very next thing, I'm going to put that down like this. It looks pretty self-explanatory. Do not touch that surface. Put it in the stand. Plug it into the wall, and here we go. Okay, so in the stand, there is, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, there's a groove there. And on here is the groove. So we're going to line that up with that. And it just cozies itself in. You have a fair amount of extension cord there. Sticker. And here we have the router, which comes with its own extension cord. An instruction manual where the print is very, very tiny. I'm going to need to pull my eyeglasses out for that. And there's your box. That's all that was in there. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this and see what we need to do, and I'll get back to you. So reading through this in the very fine print had nothing in it, and we were like, there's got to be another piece of information to help you set up, because there's nothing. So we started looking around the box, opened up the box, and inside found this little tiny piece of paper tucked in the side. So make sure you find it. What it says on it is complete your Starlink activation and claim your Costco member savings. There are steps to go through on how to do this. You go to Starlink, you activate, you enter your serial kit number, then you click new account, you enter your address, choose the service you want, enter your contact billing information, select place order, and then the order will activate immediately, it says, and the statement will generate in 30 days. If unsuccessful, contact them and download the Starlink app to manage your account on the go. And after you've activated that, you'll be credited to your account, your Costco account, and applied to your second month of service. So we need to plug this in. It has its own cord, and we need to plug this in. We have, it says to make sure these are secured. This did not come. We actually had tank pegs with our trailer, and so we are going to put these at the four corners of the stand, because it did say, it says to make sure that it's secure so the wind doesn't blow over. So we're going to use this. It's pretty low to the ground, not too worried about blowing over, but just in case, we want to be careful with it. So I wanted to set up the stand without this on it, because I was always nervous about it. What we noticed on the back is there is a release button there. So it locks in, and then you push this button and it will let you pull it back out again. So it keeps it nice and secure. Okay, I hope we're going the right direction. And we're going to plug it into the adapter. Wow, this is a lot of cord. Not sure we need this much cord. Okay, this is like 50 feet of cord. It goes from the Starlink under the mat to the door, back over here. Just to show you, we have to figure out how we're going to set this up, but we're not sure what we want it to look like. Okay, so in the bottom here, it's pretty obvious which one it needs to go into. Just gotta make sure you line it up properly. Click like that. The power cord again, pretty obvious on how it needs to be lined up. And click that in. And there we go. Hooked up to the wall. Hopefully I don't trip over that when I go to the bathroom. Cord up here and tuck in here. If there was one in the kids' bed area, I'm sure that once we get the Starlink figured out, we will find a way to put it into the trailer permanently or semi-permanently so that it's easier to get to and set up and whatnot. But we will do some research on how to do that more effectively.
So we've been camping for 7 days, and having Starlink roam has been a game changer. Normally when we're out camping, there is no Wi-Fi. We struggle. Just Alberta cell is not great, especially in the western part of the province along the mountains. And so by having Starlink roam, we have been able to constantly have data that we require. I just wanted to show you the speed at which it's coming in. But like, we can even watch Netflix at the regular speed with no pausing. I've been able to upload and download video content to my YouTube channel. It has been wonderful. And that's something that we normally don't enjoy when we're out in the backcountry. So Starlink roam, definitely 5 out of 5 stars, whatever rating you want to use, but it has been great. So well worth the investment to do that, and looking forward to using it on our next camping trip because we camp frequently, as you can tell by all the campground reviews. One other thing to note when beginning your Starlink is to download the app when you're in better cell phone coverage. That was one thing that we had to wait a while for, is because our cell reception is so bad out here camping. We had to wait for the app to download before we could enter information and get the Starlink started. Whereas if we'd done that at home when we had great cell reception, that would have been a much quicker and easier process. So just something to note, if you're going to do Starlink roam, set it up at home and then take it with you, rather than what we did was set it up at camping when we already have bad cell coverage. If you found this content useful or helpful in any way, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. There's more reviews that I have done on products that you might enjoy, and campground reviews are another thing I like to do. Anyways, if you enjoy following a 40-plus-year-old someone who lived in the province of Alberta, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And I will see you next week with the next video content that's coming your way.